3,
It is.
2,
Austin, come here.
1.
Hey, Ginger, come here. Come here,
Whoa! Yeah! That's louder than a turd.
New York!
All right.
Better than to hang around.
Happy New Year!
In case you're wondering, that was a cannon.
That was nice.
That was awesome.
Oh, what do you think, Ken? Is that good?
Can you do it again?
Not tonight.
What was in that?
More tonight.
It was
What did you shoot?
stone.
What'd you shoot?
Just cotton.
Uh,
It was just cotton packed in there.
Hey,
Did you
man.
get it on there?
yeah, I got it on video. It came out of this little cannon.
That was cool, man. Loud, man. God.
For as good as it, all that was
Yeah.
8 pieces of cotton packed in there.
That was loud.
8 pieces of cotton fit into that, and it was loud as shit.
Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Clean up this Happy New Year.
Man, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir. Same to you.
All right.
I got that on video.
Happy New Year, baby.
Don't tell me what to do. We quit. Thanks.
All right.
I expected it to be like this giant thing, but no, it was that.
Hey,
For it to be, don't touch it, Kenny, because it's hot. Did you burn your hand?
Gingy.
Do not touch it.
oh no, that was